স্যার, আমরা আখেরাতের জীবন সম্বন্ধে কিছু জানতে চাই, আমাদের কিছু তথ্য দিন।
Assalamu alaikum. Our world's life is very temporary. We will die one day. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent them for his ibadah. So we should do 5 times salat and others activities. It is very important for any man to obey the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Without iman, a man cannot go to Jannah. If we are Muslims, so we are very lucky because iman is very important for Jannah. If you want to go to Jannah, you should take in Islam because Quran has been said about iman. Without iman, a man cannot Jannah. So if a man want to go to Jannah, first of all, he should accept Islam, then obey the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Inshallah, next he will be sent to Jannah. So I will try to my best to follow the rule of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I will give advice for any Muslims and others people to follow the rule of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because this beautiful scenery has made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, has been made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but most of the people don't follow the rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is very bad for ourselves. So I will advise people should be careful about the life of Akhirah. Our world's life is very temporary, and this is a hall of examination. Anytime Azrael alayhi salam will come to take me in the grave. So okay, thanks you. Assalamu alaikum.